Hello all. In this video we will see how to install WebSphere application server version 7 on a Linux machine using graphical user interface method as a root user. So in the previous class we have copied the software to the Linux machine, right? So let's log in as a user and make sure you are a root, because we are installing the WebSphere application server product as a root user. So we have copied the software to repository directory. So we have copied the software to this repository directory. So cd to the software location. So and cd to was directory. So this is in this directory you will have all, you will see all the software bundle packages. So most of the files are end with the .pack. So to install the product, run /install. Okay, so this is a external command that comes with WebSphere application server software bundle. So run this /install command to start the installation process. So here is the IBM WebSphere application server 7.0 welcome screen. So click on next. Accept the license. I accept both the IBM and the non-IBM terms. Click on next. So system prerequisites check is paused here. So everything looks okay. Operating system supported, right? So this is a RHEL 5.9 64-bit operating system, so which is supported. So click on next. So optional feature installation, if you want to install any optional features like sample application installation, install non-English, any of these options, if you want to install with the product, you can choose it. If not, you can just ignore and click on next. And the default product installation location on the Linux operating system is /opt IBM WebSphere app server. So the product is going to install under this directory. So let's keep it default location only. Click on next. And here is the WebSphere application server environment screen, and you will see all the list of environments, nothing but profiles: cell profile, management profile, application server profile, custom profile, secure proxy profile, and none profile. So it's depends upon your choice or your requirement. You can choose any of these profiles to create. So if you don't want to profile and you want to create profile later, then choose option none. So in this video I will just select none option. I don't want to install any profile in this class, so just choose none, and I will show you how to install the profile or create the profile using this product. So so we'll look into that in next class. So click on next. So here, see, there is a warning message: WebSphere application server version 7.0 requires at least one profile to be functional. Are you sure you want to proceed without creating a profile? So that means, so basically what exactly it is saying is, so without profile creation or without profile, you cannot use this product. So you have to create at least one product to function, or one profile to, you have to create one profile to be function. So after this, I will show you how to create the application server profile with this product. So but currently I don't want to proceed with the profile creation, so just select S to proceed with the installation. So repository for centralized installation manager. So if you want to choose any repositories for centralized installation manager, you can choose it, or else you can just ignore. So it is not mandatory option. So as of now I'm not selecting any centralized installation manager. So just click on next. So this is an installation summary. So the product will be installed under opt IBM WebSphere app server. I am just installing the core product files. There is no environment or profile selected, and the total size to install this product only is 975 MB, which is approximately 1 GB. So click on next. And so this is the installation summary is success, like you have a sufficient permission to perform the installation. I'm installing the product as a root user, right? So the root user always will have a sufficient permissions to install the product. So I will show you in the next classes. I will show you how to install this product using a non-root user. We'll work on that later. So click on next. So it is now installing the WebSphere application server components. So here are the installation results. So the success, the following product was installed successfully. So now the product is successfully installed. So if you want to create a profile, application server profile, so you can use the profile management tool. So if you want to launch it now, you can use that, or if you don't want to launch the profile management tool, then you can uncheck this one and you can install or create the profile later. So one way to create a profile is during the installation. You can do that. Okay, you can select any one of the profile and you can create the profile, or you can just install the product. Later, using that product, you can create the profile. So using management tool. So in the next video, I will show you how to use the profile management tool to create the application server profile. So for now, just uncheck, click on finish. So we just installed the product. That's it. So let's see where exactly it is installed. So in the installation, so we have chosen opt IBM WebSphere app. So this is the location where we installed the product, right? So here are the product files or core product files. So that comes with the installation. So they are the directories, and so in this directory I don't find any profiles because I didn't select it to create the profile. So this is how we install the WebSphere application server network deployment 7.0 product. The next class I will show you how to create the application server profile using profile management tool.